Next, change the order of integration in 0 to a, x square by a to 2a minus x, xy dy dx. So in the given question, innermost integral is x, so it is the limit for y, outermost x. So vertical strips are taken in the given integral. So which is the region? x0, xa. First of all, we draw the variables, limits containing the variables. That is, y is equal to x square by a. That's a parabola symmetry about y axis. Then y is equal to 2a minus x, or x plus y is 2a. If x is 0, y 2a. If y is 0, x is 2a. So this is the straight line. So there is an intersection also. So the parabola and straight line have an intersection. Find the point of intersection. What is this point? Substitute solving these two. X square by a is equal to a minus x. X square is equal to 2a square minus xa. X square plus ax minus 2a square 0. This is a quadratic equation. So x is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus plus b 4ac by 2 upon 9a square 3a. So minus a plus 3a, 2a by 2 a, minus a minus 3a minus 4a by 2 minus 2a. So here also there is an intersection, that is y negative. So x is equal, this point is x is equal to a. So what is y? If x is a, y is a square by a. That is a itself. Okay. So let it be there. Then in the given integral, outermost integral is x. We have to consider, or we have to convert it into along y. So before that, just checking the horizontal lines. Lowermost horizontal line is this one, uppermost is this one. And if you consider a vertical strip here, endpoints are these. Okay. If you draw a vertical line here, endpoints are changing. So strips are not uniform. But we have to evaluate this one. Okay, so in this case, we have to split the region at the point of intersection into two. So we get two region, a triangle and this one. So OABO. First of all, we are integrating along OABO. Then we have to integrate along ABC. Then adding those two integrals, we get the required integral. So in this one, which are the horizontal lines? Y is equal to 0 to y is equal to a. Then x from 0 to a point on this parabola, root of ay. X is equal to 0 to root of ay. Because x square is ay, x is root of ay. Xy dx dy. First of all, integrating with respect to x. So integral of x is x square by 2 from 0 to root of ay. Y into ay, half common, constant eduttu. So answer is a raised to 4 by 6. Next region ABC. So which are the horizontal lines? At the bottom point it is y is equal to a, and the topmost point at this point is 0 to a. Okay. So y is equal to 2a. So y from a to 2a. Then drawing the horizontal strip inside the region, endpoints are x is equal to 0 to a point on the standing line, straight line. So 2a minus 5. So integrating and substituting the limits, 2a minus y the whole square, expanding 2a minus y the whole square, it is 4a square minus 4ay plus y square. Then opening the bracket and integrating with respect to y, the answer is 5a raised to 4 by 24. So what is the integral value? We have to add these two integrals, a raised to 4 by 6 and 5a raised to 4 by 24. 24 is the LCM. 4 plus 5, 9a raised to 4 by 24, or it is 3a raised to 4 by 8. Okay.